degrees.
Get back in there. What the hell is going on now? Bro, what? Excuse me?
Wilmette Harbor to northerly island.
What? Then why did they tone it twice?
Thunderstorm warning for northern King County in northeastern Illinois, southeastern McHenry County in northeastern Illinois until 5 p.m. At 4:13 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from New Hampshire to 6 miles east of Sycamore, moving northeast 5 miles behind southwest winds.
What is bleeding in?
1865.
What the hell, bro?
Thunderstorms will be near Hampshire around 4:50 p.m. Huntley around 4:25 p.m. In Green Grove around 4:30 p.m. Gilbert and Lakewood around 4:35 p.m. Elgin, Crystal Lake, Indiana the Hills, West Dundee, and St. Hollow around 4:40 p.m. Carpentersville, Algonquin, Cary, Barry and Hills, East Dundee, Oakwood Hills, and Barry Grove around 4:45 p.m. Island Lake, Fox, River Grove, and Fort Bergson around 4:50 p.m. Greenville around 4:55 p.m. Other locations in town providing severe thunderstorms include South Valley, Hallsville, Winston, and Mercer, including the following Interstate 90 between mile markers 40 and 55. This includes McHenry County College and Rainbow State Park. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Campbell County in northeastern Illinois, King County in northeastern Illinois, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:30 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along the line extending from near Houston to Sandwich, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Severe thunderstorms will be near Plano around 4:35 p.m. Northville around 4:40 p.m. Sugar Grove and Maple Park around 4:45 p.m. Aurora open waters from Windsor Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 7 p.m. At 4:56 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along the harbor. Thunderstorms will be near Waukegan Harbor around 5:25 p.m. Windsor Harbor around 5:35 p.m.
Really now? Isn't that just great?
Northeastern DuPage County and northeastern Illinois, northeastern Cook County and northeastern Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 6:43
Where did this come from?
A severe thunderstorm was located over Bentonville
You
or
can
over
shut up.
Windsor Airport, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard: 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source: radar indicated. Impact: northeastern Cook County and northeastern Illinois until 7:45 p.m. At 6:43 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Bentonville or over Windsor Airport, moving northeast. Mount Ballard, Glenview. Sunday, mostly clear. Interstate 88 between mile markers 139 and 140. Interstate 90 between mile markers 71 and 84. Interstate 94 between mile markers 29 and 45. Interstate 290 between mile markers 3 and 17. Interstate 294 between mile markers 29 and 45. This includes Loyola University, Open Community College, Triton College, Northeastern Illinois University, and Northwestern University. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
There's the SMW. Oh, that's
Significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly high winds. Harbor to Gary, open waters from Windsor Harbor to Michigan City out to mid-lake until 9:30 p.m. At 7:55 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Windsor Harbor to Jackson Park Harbor, moving northeast at 40 knots. Hazard: wind gusts in excess of 50 knots. Source: radar indicated. Impact: boats could suffer significant structural damage in high winds. Small craft could capsize in suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Harrison Beaver, Crib, Calumet Harbor, Indiana, northeastern Pulaski County in northwestern Indiana, southeastern Stark County in northwestern Indiana, Marshall County, Indiana, until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 11:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 10:07 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 7 miles north of Winnipeg, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Plymouth, Bremen, Knox, Winnipeg, Urban, Memphis, Culver, Walnut, Tippecanoe, Oak Grove, Ripley, La Paz, Monterey, Miners Ford, Beardstown, Over, Kiner, Hibbert, Winona, and DeLong. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeat. A severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 11:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, or 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time in the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Marshall, Pulaski, Daylight Time, or 10:45 p.m. Central Daylight Time for the following counties in Indiana: Fulton, Marshall, Pulaski, and Stark. Visit our website weather.gov/NWS. Thunderstorm warning for northwestern Elkhart County, Indiana, southeastern St. Joseph County, Indiana, until midnight Eastern Daylight Time. At 11:23 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Lakeville, or 7 miles south of Boulevard Park, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include South End, Elkhart, Mishawaka, Boulevard Park, Granger, Osceola, North Liberty, Wakarusa, Lakeville, Woodland, Shakedown, and Wayne. This includes Interstate 80 in Indiana between mile markers 84 and 89. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.